In the world of web development, data is king. Websites and applications rely heavily on data to provide dynamic and personalized experiences. This is where databases come into play, and MySQL stands as a prominent player in this domain. MySQL is an open-source relational database management system, or RDBMS, renowned for its reliability, performance, and ease of use. It provides a structured way to store, organize, and retrieve data efficiently. Websites and applications often need to store information like user details, product catalogs, or blog posts. MySQL provides the perfect platform for this purpose. It allows developers to create databases and tables, define relationships between them, and enforce data integrity through constraints. The beauty of MySQL lies in its simplicity and power, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. One of the primary reasons behind MySQL's popularity is its compatibility with PHP, a widely used server-side scripting language. PHP provides a rich set of functions and APIs that seamlessly integrate with MySQL, allowing developers to connect to databases, execute queries, and process the results. This powerful combination forms the backbone of countless dynamic websites and web applications. Whether it's an e-commerce platform, a social networking site, or a content management system, PHP and MySQL work hand in hand to deliver exceptional functionality and performance. MySQL's significance in web development extends beyond its technical capabilities. Being open source, it offers cost-effectiveness, flexibility, and a vast community for support. Its widespread adoption has resulted in a wealth of resources, tutorials, and forums where developers can seek assistance and share their knowledge. As websites and applications continue to evolve, MySQL remains a cornerstone of web development, empowering developers to build robust and data-driven solutions that meet the ever-growing demands of the online world. Before diving into the exciting world of database interactions with PHP, it's essential to ensure that your PHP environment is properly configured to communicate with MySQL. The process is relatively straightforward and involves modifying the PHP configuration file, commonly known as. This file acts as the control center for various PHP settings, including database connectivity options. Within the file, you'll find a section dedicated to MySQL extensions. Look for lines that begin with. To enable MySQL support, uncomment the line by removing the semicolon at the beginning. This activates the MySQL Improved extension, a robust and feature-rich library for interacting with MySQL databases. Once you've enabled the necessary extension, it's crucial to save the file and restart your web server. This step ensures that the changes you made to the PHP configuration are applied. After restarting the server, PHP will be ready to connect to MySQL databases using the extension, opening up a world of possibilities for dynamic web development. It's important to note that the exact location of the file may vary depending on your operating system and web server configuration. However, a quick search within your PHP installation directory or consulting the documentation for your web server should point you in the right direction. Configuring PHP for database connectivity is a fundamental step in harnessing the power of MySQL for your web development projects. With PHP properly configured, the real excitement begins. Interacting with MySQL databases to bring your web applications to life. PHP provides a rich set of functions through the extension, allowing you to connect to databases, execute queries, and process the results. These interactions form the backbone of dynamic web development, enabling you to store, retrieve, and manipulate data seamlessly. The first step is to establish a connection to your MySQL database. You can achieve this using the function, passing in the hostname, username, password, and database name as parameters. Once connected, you can start interacting with the database by constructing SQL queries. //connect to the database $con =mysql connect, localhost, username, password, database _name, // check connection if $con die connection failed, plus mysql _connect_error. // construct an SQL query $SQL $. Select asterisk from users. / execute the query $result $miscli underscore query $con $SQL. / process the results if miscli underscore num underscore rows $result 0 / output data of each row while $row miscli underscore fetch underscore assoc $result. Echo ID plus row or ID plus name plus $row. Else echo 0 results / close the connection miscli underscore close $con. Once a connection is established, you can execute various SQL queries, such as to retrieve data, to add new records, to modify existing data, and to remove records. The function sends your SQL query to the MySQL server for execution. The result of the query, if any, is returned as a result set, which you can then process using functions like to access individual rows and their respective columns. Interacting with MySQL using PHP's extension empowers you to build dynamic and data-driven web applications. From simple data retrieval to complex database operations, mastering these interactions opens up a world of possibilities for creating engaging and feature-rich websites.